Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jax here from Pristine Auto Lab, and today I'm gonna do a quick demonstration on how to install this kit that I purchased from the rag company. It is called the Ultra Air Swivel Kit. Let me get closer so you can see it. It comes with two. And the reason why I purchased this kit is because I want to install on my recently purchased Tornador Mini. Fantastic tool, but I like to have a little more flexibility. And the other one will be installed inside of my van on my air hose reel attachment. Now the kit comes with a O-ring, and also the threads has already a sealant pre-installed. So I guess all I need is a 15 millimeter wrench, but we'll find out together. Now, after I install everything, I'm just gonna do a quick test for leaks, and hopefully everything's gonna be good to go. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so let's open this up. Here's the O-ring. Let's see if this is going to be easy. Oh, yeah, very easy. The threads are plastic, so gotta be very careful when tightening this up. So I'm gonna need a larger wrench to tighten this up right here. Let me go get it. So this is a 17 millimeter wrench, so probably you're gonna need a 15 and a 17. Okay, looks good. Now I'm gonna just put the O-ring in here. Oh, it has already inside? It has one inside. So my guess is that this O-ring should go in here. Let me take this off again. Yeah, it feels tighter. Okay, so the O-ring is in here. Let's go ahead and install. That's it. Hopefully we're good to go. Let's go ahead and run a little test. All right, guys, I got my hose here. Let's plug it in. I don't hear any leaks. Sounds good. Yeah, no leaks at all. When I talk about flexibility, do you see what I'm talking about? Especially when you're working on tiny little crevices, it's always good to have this flexibility with your hose. Love it. That's it, guys. Perfect. Super easy. All you need is a 15 millimeter and a 17 millimeter wrench. Now I'm going to go ahead and install this one. So here's the reason why I want to install this kit over here. You see how tight it is. It bends the hose over here. There's too much space taken over here, and I want to reduce that space and create a little more room. So that's why I'm going to install this swivel kit over here. Again, 15 millimeter. Now let's go ahead and install this guy. By the way, I'm not gonna use, oh, wait a second. I need to put the O-ring first. Okay, so here we go. All right. I think that's it. Yep. This can go like this way. Let me figure this one out. And then this can go, yep, this will work. The O-ring is already in there. Let's go ahead and attach this guy right here. Did it go all the way? I don't know. Let's see if there's any leaks. Yes, not a lot of success on this one. I can just hear the noise. It is definitely leaking over here. So I'm gonna have to put some Teflon tape, I guess. All right, guys, so I couldn't wrap my head around the fact that the O-ring that it's in here wouldn't hold for leakage. And also when I was putting this on, I kind of felt like a lot of resistance. So it made me come to the conclusion that this guy right here has a different thread. So luckily, I don't think it damaged because I didn't push too hard. Now, I did find this guy right here, but it has a very short thread. But on the other hand, it does have a O-ring attached already. So I'm gonna try this guy instead of this guy and see if it works. But before, just to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna put a little bit of Teflon over here because I'm sure that this amount of thread is not gonna reach the O-ring that it's in there. So the O-ring basically is gonna be useless. All right, so I'll be back in a second. I have a little bit of Teflon on. Hopefully I didn't damage the thread in here. Let's find out. Feels like that the O-ring is working. Okay. That's tight enough. Here we go. All right. I don't hear anything. I don't feel any leaks. I'm just gonna make sure that there's no leaks. I'm gonna get some soapy water and I'll be right back. Yep, I think we're good to go. Ladies and gents, here we go. No leaks at all. And the air compressor is full. Let me run the tool. Looking good, guys. Yeah, no leaks at all. Perfect. Now I have a lot more clearance. See it? I can swivel this around. It's great. Guys, here's the final product. Everything's in place. I just use a zip tie to hold the hose like this. And look how much more clearance I have. Amazing. It's great. Okay guys, as you saw, I was able to install both kits. One was super easy on the Tornador Mini, no issues at all. The other one, not so much because I ran into the threading issue on the quick connector adapter. But to be honest, I kind of knew from the get-go that something was wrong because when I was tightening the quick connector onto the swivel kit, there was a lot of resistance and that's not good. But still, I went for it and luckily I didn't ruin the part and was able to finish the installation with another adapter. And I gotta tell you, the construction of the swivel kit feels really strong. And I feel like part of the reason why I didn't ruin the threading is because of the construction quality. Also, the design, the color, and the little touch that they incorporated their logo onto the swivel kit gives that little cool factor, in my opinion. So if you want to purchase the kit, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. Also, if you could please support me by hitting that subscribe and like button, I will really appreciate. Again, thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.